In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an out-of-office email on Gmail. This automatic reply is perfect for vacations, holidays, or any time you won't be checking email regularly. We'll walk through the setup on a computer, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what each option does. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into your account. These controls are easiest to find on desktop, which is why we're using a computer here. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. A small panel will appear. Click on See All Settings to go to the full settings page. By default, you'll land on the General tab. Stay there and scroll down until you see the section labeled Vacation Responder. This is Gmail's built-in out-of-office tool. When it's on, Gmail will automatically send your message to people who email you. It typically sends a response to each sender the first time they contact you, and if your responder stays on, it may send another reminder after a few days. Click Vacation Responder on to enable it. Next, set the start date the first day you want the auto-reply to begin. You can also set an end date if you know exactly when you'll be back. If you're not sure, leave the end date blank and you can turn it off manually later. Gmail uses your account's time zone, so these dates will follow your local settings. Now add a subject line. Something simple like out of office works well, or you can be more specific, like away until your return date. In the message box, write your custom reply. Keep it clear and helpful, let people know you're away, when you expect to return, how often you'll check email, and who they can contact for urgent matters. If you like, you can include a brief note about limited access to email to set expectations. Keep it professional, concise, and easy to read. Below the message, you'll see an option to send responses only to people in your contacts. Turning this on can reduce automatic replies to unknown senders, newsletters, or automated systems. If you work with people who might not be in your contacts, consider leaving it off so they still receive your notice. When everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Your out-of-office reply is now active for the dates you chose. If you return earlier or need to adjust the message, just come back to Settings, update the Vacation Responder section, and save again. That's all it takes to set up a clear, professional out-of-office reply in Gmail.